Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, another vlog, and today I'm going to do a lot of things. We're gonna practice for Pipitawa night. I'm going to watch Cup of Joe and really excited. So I've decided to a vlog. So ayun. By the way, I've been making music, my composition with Vince and Ted, Paalapaap, and Stay is out now everywhere. I'm really excited. I'm actually making a new song with KU1 right now, and yeah, a lot of things are happening. It's very overwhelming. Thank you guys for always supporting. Yeah, I'm going to a friend's house. Actually, it's my dad's coworker, and we're gonna practice for the Pipitawa night. So yeah, let's go. For the meantime, nag-race ako dito sa kwarto ko. Actually, hindi na to gumagana yung mic na to. It's a bummer. Binili ko to like 360 something and it's not working. Hindi na makalaya, dinadalaw mo ko ba? Magapunta kami ng concert. Ako, bungis-ngis pa guys. Dungis-ngis. 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 Yanan tayo. Ano na kami? We're on the way. Pupunta na kami sa hindi si kasi yung bag niya guys naiwan dun sa may pinaiwan ng mga gorgeous sa gate dun mismo sa papasok sa sa sports complex. We are on our way doon. Makikita-kita kami. So ayun. Yes. Paganda ka muna, paganda mo. Ayan na nga, as you can see, magsisimula pa lang ang Mutya ng Palawan and there is a lot of people. Nandito rin pala ang Drag Race Philippines Season 3 winner na si Maxi Andreessen. Ang galing niya kumanta guys. Diana Pauline is also here in the house. Nag-perform na siya ng intermission niya bago mag-start yung concert ng Cup of Joe, which is kasama niya na kumanta ng Tingin. And then na nga, pumasok ang Cup of Joe, which is sigawan ng mga tao.
Date muna natin yung mga malulungkot nating emosyon. Dahil kasabay ng pagsindi ng... Maraming salamat po kasi sobrang na-enjoy namin tong stay namin dito.
Habang ako naman mind-blown, yung dalawa wala na. Ang saya-saya namin ni Steph dito kasi kinover namin yung Tingin. It was so good to witness it live, especially like super ganda. Syempre Cup of Joe yan eh. Mag-garden ko rin muna tayo ngayon, guys. Mag-ready ako ng damit for later.
Magaling, magaling, magaling.
I love performing with these guys, and I also sang with Stephanie, which was super amazing. I enjoyed it so much, and she also sang. So that's all for this video. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-post. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. See you all in my next video. Peace out.